How to add or redeem Instacart gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add or redeem your Instacart gift card or how you can redeem your promo code. Now the process is quite simple and easy. You can simply head into your browser and there you want to search in for Instacart gift card. Then you want to open up your device and you want to open up your browser and there you want to search in Instacart gift card as I've done so on the screen. Now once you do so, you can see the very first link, Instacart. It's the official page and under it you can see Instacart gift cards available online. Now simply tap on it and once you tap on it, the page should load up. Now here you can see this page here. You can see redeem option, you can see send gift card option, and below you can see send gift card option. You want to simply tap on the redeem option at the top and once you do so, it'll ask you to log into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in, so I don't have to log in and it's taking me directly to the redeem page. Now here on the redeem page, you want to simply enter in your gift card number or your promo code number here at the promo code option. Here you want to enter in your gift card number here, promo code number, and you want to simply tap on add to account option and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can redeem your gift card, Instacart gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.